Alright, we're back out here at the barn tear down. We're you seen the time lapse, that was Saturday. We got all the trusses down and piled up, and then me and my son came out here yesterday and he cut some trusses apart. I'll show you all that in a minute. And then I got some headers taken down. Dang it, come on. I'm trying to rush because I only got about an hour and a half on the evenings here. We're about an hour from the house, so I come over here after work, and in the evenings about an hour and a half, and get what I can done, get the trailer loaded up. So yesterday we came over here. I ended up cutting apart and hauling home 7 trusses and a bunch more of the purlins that go on top of the trusses for the metal up top. So we got 7 of those hauled home. Got 27 more to cut apart and haul home. But then we also got, I'll show y'all. While he was cutting trusses apart yesterday, I was taking the headers down. So I got that down the end there, and then the 20 foot on that side. And so today I'm just going to be mainly focusing on cutting these trusses apart. I may try to take a header or 2 down. So that's where we're at. And then loading it on the trailer and getting it hauled to the house. So what we're doing on these trusses is I'm cutting truss plates because I can't haul them home and I don't want to pay nobody. I'm just getting new truss plates. I don't even know how much they're going to cost. Maybe crazy. But I'm just cutting here and along the board and then right there, and then they just break off in 2 pieces. So we'll cut this side, I'll flip it over on this side, and I'll cut the other side, and I'll do this whole stack like that. Then I'll load it, and then we'll do that whole stack, load it, and then that whole stack, and load it. And hopefully I can get these 3 done today by the time I gotta leave. So let's get started. Alright, let me show you one of these. I just did the other side. So let me show you one, and then we'll get on the time lapse and get this thing done. Alright, that's how it works. Alright, let's get them moving. All right. I don't know how many I got on there, but that's a load. Probably the biggest load I had on my truck yet. Well, with this move anyway. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13. Got 15 more, so that's got to be 12 on the truck. Got 15 more, and then I need to, Thursday, I'll have help. My son will be cutting these trusses apart and flipping them. So I'll be working on taking headers down, and once I get the headers down, start cutting these posts down. The only post I'm not taking down as of right now is that one, because it's got the breaker box on it. I'll get it later, but let's ease our way back home with this big old load, and we will continue this video Thursday. And I don't know if this whole series will be 2 or 3 videos or what. I'll figure out when I go to start editing, but we'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, back out here at the barn tear down. Got off work a little early today, and got over here getting started. So hopefully get all these trusses cut apart today. Chase is coming to help me, my son. Get these trusses cut apart, get them loaded on. That should be the last load today. I'm going to work on taking the header off. Once I get it done, hopefully today, I can start cutting posts down. I'd like to get all of that done today and get a load on here, get it home, and then tomorrow come back, should load up the last load, get it home. So it should be done tomorrow, which is Friday. So either way, I'm going to get some tools and get up there and start working on those headers. All right, got all the headers down on this side, and what I'm doing is taking it off at 20-foot sections. One reason is the front section I'm gonna put up probably 20 or 40 foot first, and then the rest of it I'll put up later. So the other reason is every 20 feet, the backboard on this double band right here, the backboard is seamed. So if I cut the front board, it comes off pretty easy in one section. And there's no way I could get all this off in one piece anyway, without 2 lifts at least. So I cut it in section there, section there, section there, pull it down. But helps here. So we'll get started, get this down. Alright everybody, we are done. Got the last load on the trailer we got over here today, and I got working, messing with my chainsaw. Something happened with it. Maybe a carburetor issue, but cleaned it today at work on lunch. It fired up, got here and it wouldn't fire up, so I'm not sure, but either way, we've got everything down. All the posts are cleaned up. Like I said, only got that one post standing. That's got the breaker box on it. If I have to, I'll come get it after they get done grading and doing what they're going to do here. So got everything cleared off. Last load is on the trailer. Got probably the heaviest thing we've picked up is these 20-foot headers. And the poster here, and then all the purlins that we had left piled right here. Got them in the middle. Got the straps on it. Gotta say, that ain't going nowhere. We are headed to the house. Get this unloaded and get this whole video edited today, hopefully. We've actually only got, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in this whole project. I worked a Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday by myself all day long. Well, not by myself. Michaela came with me, my mom came with me, and then one day by myself. And then had a Saturday, my son Chase helped, my mom helped, and my brother helped. And then another Saturday, all of them helped, and Michaela. And then this week, me and Chase came over Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and then today's Friday, and we're done. So, not too bad. Got her cleaned up. I'll get this video edited, and then eventually start putting it back up at the house. Not looking to start putting it up until I get the Eggmobile done. That'll be my next project. I'll start working on that and the perimeter fence. So when I get them done, it'll probably be spring. I'll start putting this up and getting us some more storage at the house. Either way, thank y'all for watching. I may cut this in 2 videos. I don't know. It depends on when I edit it, how long it's going to be. It may be 2 separate videos, but a lot of time lapse because there's not a lot to talk about, just tearing the building down. Probably be a little bit more talking and instructing and whatever when I get to putting it up at the house. But I cut them off. The sides were 14 foot, but I cut them off about a foot above the ground. That way the guy coming in here grading can wrap a chain around it and pull those posts out of the ground. I'm hoping that's enough. He said leave enough to wrap a chain around it, so I'm hoping that'll work. Either way, we are done finally. I can quit stressing about getting this thing up and out of here. Get this video out. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see y'all in the next one.